Then about electromagnetic biotechnology, we have a lot, totally new, like what we are doing. I don't know how much you see it, now, because it has a luminescence in the point and a shimmering type of quality of light that
It's
is
kind of a graininess, yeah.
impossible to record, not photograph. Okay, you just see that
That's
it's
bizarre
lit.
in itself.
But it's a shimmering, it's a light that is like alive. This the only thing I can describe it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but we have the smaller ones for public, which is like this, and that's the point is really strong. This is green, and this has a quartz, and then inside it has a coin of that special crystal that is more phase conjugator, and phase conjugation is a new concept of physics that brings the cells back to a past coherent condition. It's Tesla technology, and there are videos in the website to understand it. We have like a few of these. Uh, we have four of those two. So these are all the instruments, the smaller ones for general public. You have to learn to use it. The colors mean things. The colors help. It's a magenta color. It's two lasers that join in the center.
In the case of the axis, you have two different frequencies.
Okay, well,
That's interferometry going on. What's happening is that when the two waves come, so it's going back and forth between matter mode and energy mode. So matter, energy, billions of times per second. So that's how it hooks in. That's the mechanism. So, for example, we have a part of a biophoton output is in longitudinal wave. Part of it's transverse. The really, really weak part is in the transverse. But there's a stronger part that we're emitting, about 5 watts worth per body, and that's in the longitudinal mode. So anyway, part of that, the part that you can't see is the part that's actually doing the work. Looking, oh, it's just a little laser. But, well, actually what you can't see is what's actually doing the work. Our retinas cannot pick up longitudinal waves.
No, we can't pick up anything that is out of the realm of the visible light.
Right.
And that my studies are that we have the pineal gland is actually not active because the optical nerves are adhered to the bone, the sphenoid bone. And that actually is taking us the possibility of seeing the subtle energies and all these things that actually would be very distracting why we're seeing it. But we're evolving slowly into being able to see it. But this is not for the moment. The moment evolution now is about the fourth dimension. The optic nerves being attached to the bone, and that some people have it, and also that makes the crystalline get harder. So some people actually were changed it by having the surgery for cataracts, and then they started seeing auras. So
that's an interesting part, because in the early cataract surgery, what they did was they actually had it's a hard lens made out of quartz.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Quartz will transmit UV light.
Of course, so that's why they see auras.
Right.
Maybe they don't do it now, and then not all of them. But we are looking into the differences of healing that will be the magnetic plasma that the plasmas we're going to be using is hydrogen, so it will cohere or connect to all the fluids in the body, and we will be using nitrogen, so it will connect and cohere with all the oxygen levels and all the interchange of air inside the body. Can get to you this information. We hope it's the right time, because it's very new. I understand it's very new, but it's the right time because this is instruments for self-healing. And for us to have it at home and not need any more pills, because inflammation, we have a lot of things more to, actually we've been doing this, we've been, with this type, we have been working since 2007. And with this one, with less time, but they say that we are going slowly into a full chrysalis or a whole body regeneration. So these are these first steps to get there, and some of them are going to be like this one, going to be for clinics or more professionals, because the magnetic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're happy that we can get to you this information. We hope it's the right time, because it's very new. I understand it's very new, but it's the right time, because this is instruments for self-healing. And for us to have it at home and not need any more pills, because inflammation, we have a lot of things more to, actually we've been doing this, we've been, with this type, we have been working since 2007. And with this one, with less time, but they say that we are going slowly into a full chrysalis or a whole body regeneration. So these are these first steps to get there, and some of them are going to be like this one, going to be for clinics or more professionals, because the magnetic plasma has high frequencies and that this is the future of medicine.